This is April in Ontario, Canada. My tree's dying now. I put it out early. Hopefully it doesn't die. It is snow. I'm going to take you guys uptown with me. I'm going to show you the bunny decoration up there. Can't see me. Okay. Let's see when I get it. It is so cold out here. Brr. I wanted to go uptown and get some things for my plants so I can work on my plants and make my house nice again. So I'm gonna take you guys uptown. I'm gonna show you this bunny lights decoration, and they do like every season different things. Like um, for uh, for Valentine's Day, they had like Valentine's Day stuff, and then for St. Patrick's, they had like St. Patrick's stuff. And I didn't record the St. Patrick's one, and but now they have the bunny one. I want to go record it before they end it. So I'll see you when I get there. I found a way to record. Um, Put it on my chair there, so you're going with me on the passenger side. Drive. Big doggy over there. Big doggy. Yeah, it's just around the corner. This is our downtown. Down here, our lights. We have one set of lights downtown, and then we have one set of lights back there where Tim Hortons is. We got a dental place here. We got a real estate right here. We got a thrift shop right there. We got a paint shop right there. See what I mean? So, this is where I'm talking about. Oh, I just passed it. Oh, I guess they changed it already. But I think I should do it at nighttime because it's not even lit up right now. So this is our downtown. If we leave the driveway, okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go around block. Turn around. And over here we got park. So we got the liquor store over here. And then we got the horse races over there. We got the casino over there. We got the beer store on the left here and then the liquor store on the right. We got the arena over there. Oh, we also got a YMCA. We got a YMCA here, like a workout place. What else we got here? Oh, yeah, that's about it. Main grocery store and $2 stores. And then there's like place where I go to get my glasses. There's my optometrist place right there. We go, and then we got our MTO place here. We got a Dutch store. We got Godfather's Pizza. So we got Dollar Haven here, and then we got Dollarama over here. So this over here is the place, but the Easter Bunny, but I will come back later when it's lit up, and then I'll make a video of that. But right now I want to go to the Home Hardware. I think it's Home Hardware store to go get some hooks from my ceiling for my plants and get some soil and some nutrients and stuff, or not nutrients, but like some kind of like mixes for soil to kind of like mix the soil with some peat moss or whatever it is. Shoe, we can go down this way, I think. Oh, I can go this way. This is a bumpy road. Then we got our grocery store here. And there's like lawn bowling. Here. We got post office, pharmacies, churches, post office over there. Oh, they're fixing this road finally. Oh, the big bumps and big bumps. Oh, I'm just gonna go slowly because I gotta go that way. Big bumps. I'm not killing my car over this. I'm trying to miss them, but it's hard to miss them. They're everywhere. We got it. We got through it. Yay! There's like a couple other vehicles behind me. Someone put their couch on the road, so I can just do that too. Put my couch on the road, and somebody will pick it up. Because I have a couch I need to get rid of, and I need to get rid of a mattress too. So Home Hardware, or Home Depot, I forget what it's called. Home Building Center. I guess that's what ours is called. We got the racetrack. So they're going over here. Home Hardware. Get off my ass, lady. So we're gonna get some stuff over here. We got some stuff out here. Some places don't. Oh, they're closed. It's Tuesday. It's only 5:30. It's not even 6 o'clock and they're already closed. They're already closed. Well, that sucks. I could go to Walmart, my Goderich, but I don't know if I want to drive all the way. Should I go for like a drive to Goderich? I'm not sure. I think that place over there is closed, only on weekends it's open. So I guess either early. It's closed. This town, everything does close early. We'll call this the drive-through town. I don't know how long, how much memory I have on my phone. It will record. Oh, I'm going through it again. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, then this way is not so bad. Oh, that one is right dug up over there. I think there's a garden center over here too. I wonder to see if they still open. They probably closed too. The garden center. There's a garden center here, like a flower store. Well, there's a couple of them. There's one up here. This one here. I have to be another side to find out if it's open now. Here we got the employment center. I want to see if they offer certain courses, like some courses in like editing and computer stuff, computer skills. Oh, here's the nursery, and it's closed too. I think it's closed. Yeah, they're not even. Yeah, we got snow again. Yeah, they're closed too. Yeah, I think they're all closed. Gotta get gas. My feet are cold. Oh yeah, I forgot to pick up my my cream for my skin. You have to pick it up. Oh, they're still open. I can pick it up. I guess I can pick it up. It's still open in the pharmacy. Alright, I'll stop and get my cream. Oh, this guy stopped there? I'm saying wait, he stopped. I'm gonna park right here. Like go in quickly and get my script. I was gonna pause.